In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. But first, let's go over what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a powerful chatbot tool developed by OpenAI and uses state-of-the-art language modeling to understand and respond to user input in a natural and human-like manner. It's powered by GPT-3, which is one of the most advanced language models in the world, capable of generating human-like text and completing tasks such as translation, summarization, and question answering. So now you know what ChatGPT is, let me tell you how you can make money with it in 2023. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is to offer chatbot services to businesses. Many businesses today are looking for ways to improve their customer services and to automate their processes. By offering a chatbot service powered by ChatGPT, you can help businesses streamline their operations and improve customer satisfaction. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to create and sell chatbot products. Now these are quite easy and simple to make. You can use the OpenAI API, and from this you can create anything from chatbot assistants to personal use and chatbot tools for businesses. And lastly, if you're well versed and an expert in chatbot development and want to share your knowledge with others, why not sell that as a service? You can offer training and consultancy services to help businesses and individuals learn how to build and use chatbots powered by ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money in a variety of ways, whether you're offering services to businesses or creating and selling products. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help you generate income and build a successful business. I hope you found this video useful and that it gave you ideas on how to make money with ChatGPT. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and send me a message and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.